Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Sorry about the big arm, guys. Um, Today I'm here with a project share. Now, this is one I did on July 14th for Friends Day on a Wednesday with Mrs. Gigi. And what we do is we do some prompts. And we do 7 prompts in one round. And we usually try to do 2 rounds, okay? So on the first round for this one, we had crayons, jute or black, Q-tip, yellow, acrylic, gesso or book page, and cotton. And here's my project for this one. Some of the stuff you're going to see here is layered over. Okay, so here's my black acrylic paint. My gesso is over here. Crayon is layered underneath the paint. Okay, my Q-tip is here and here. My yellow is in the cloud up here and in the flowers. And that's it for this one. Okay, that's project number 1. And here's project number 2, which we did a T-piece, either tissue paper, toilet paper, Tim Holtz people, or whatever you can come up with that is TP, that is TP. And then we had an angel, color pen, orange, lace, fine liner, bubble wrap, and animal. So, as I said in the first project, on this one I was working with wallpaper. So, no, not this one. It's a coffee dyed paper with doilies on it, okay? So, my first thing, Tim Holtz people. My color pen is my black. Orange is up here. My lace. My fine liner is on her dress. Bubble wrap is somewhere underneath there. And then here's my angel here. Okay, so that's project number 2 for that one. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And I want to say this in closing. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, stay safe, be safe. Love and hugs to everyone. Prayers to everyone. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.